Hello Year 4 and welcome to part 2 of today's maths session. We are going to look at some problem solving and reasoning questions together before you head off to your final independent task of this session today. So this question says, use the digit cards to complete the calculations below so that both equal 27/6. Now we can only use the digit cards available, so let's work through them together. But first of all, we can see that in question A, 7/6 add 9/6, add something else. Now, what is 7/6 add 9/6? Can you just pause the video and work that out for me, please? Did you get it right? 7/6 add 9/6 is 11/6. Now, to get from 11 to 27, what do we need to add? That's right, we need to add 11. So we know that we need to add 11/6 to get to 27, and we can cross them out. As you can see that I can cross them out so I know which numbers I have used. Now, the only three numbers I have left are 9, 14 and 4. Does 9 add 14 add 4 equal 27? Can you work that out for me now, please? Well, we know that 14 add 4 is 18, and 18 add 9 is 27. So what we can do is we can just fill in the missing gaps with 9, 14 and 4. And I have successfully used all of my digit cards. Your next question is another problem solving question, and we need to use at least 2 of the fraction cards. Now, when it says at least 2, can we use less than 2? No, we can't, can we? Can we use more than 2? Yes, we can. Create 2 addition calculations to equal the target fraction. Now, my target fraction is 29/15. Can you have a go? Can you find at least 2 or more fraction cards that equal 29/15? Pause the video and have a go. Okay, how did you get on? Did you find some? Let's have a go at the cards on the left first of all. 14/15 add 11/15. Well, my denominator is not going to change, but what is 14 add 11? Oh, 25. That's not 29, but wait, I do have 4/15 here. What is 25 add 4? 29. So maybe 14/15 add 11/15 add 4/15 equal 29/15. And it does. Are there any others? Shall we have a look? What about 14/15 add 15/15? What would that equal? Well, I know that 14 add 10 is 24, and 24 add 5 is 29. So 14/15 add 15/15 could also be and is 29/15. What about 11/15 add 15/15? What is 11 add 15? Well, I know 11 add 10 is 21, and 21 add 5, well, that's not 29, so that won't work. So my 2 options are 14/15 add 11/15 add 4/15, and 14/15 add 15/15. Well done if you got those. Let's try our final reasoning question. So Alice and Sean are finding missing numbers in a calculation. So their calculation is 2/9 add something ninths add another something ninths equals 13/9. And Alice says, you know what, the fractions 9/9 and 1/9 are missing. But Sean says, no, actually, 6/9 and 5/9 are missing. Who is correct? Shall we work it out? So, first of all, what do we need to add to add what gives us 13? 2 add 11 gives us 13. So we are looking for 2 fractions that equal 11/9. What is 9/9 add 1/9? Oh, that's 10/9. So Alice can't be right. What's 6/9 add 5/9? 6 add 5 is 11. So 6/9 add 5/9 is 11/9. So that must mean that 2/9 add 6/9 add 5/9 is 13/9. So who was correct? Sean was correct, but because it's a reasoning question, we need to explain how we know. So Sean is correct because, why is he correct? Well, we know that 6 ninths add 5 ninths add 2 ninths is 13 ninths, because his ninths add up to 12, which is what our missing number. Alice's numbers only add up to 12, sorry. Okay, your job now is to have a go at either the blue questions or the orange questions. Please don't do both, just do one set. If you want to challenge yourself a bit further, then you go for the orange ones. But if you're not feeling 100% confident just yet, then you can go for the blue ones. Make sure that if you run out of space to explain your answer, especially on the last questions, because those are your reasoning questions, then you go onto a new piece of paper and explain in full sentences, okay? Super job, Year 4. Thank you for listening. Have a lovely rest of your day, and I will see you in our next lesson. Goodbye.